Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. You will be able to see a link there being attached. Please copy it. And the moment you have copied it, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Once you have successfully bring up the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar here. Press Ctrl V in the keyboard and click on Enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Now you would be redirected to this mega folder. All you need to do is you need to wait until this requesting for folder data would be finished. Once everything are set, please proceed at the the option above where you can see download. Okay, so under this, you can see there two file folders. So click on this download and go with download as a zip file. So from here, it will now start eventually in the loading process. We just have to wait until this downloading would be finished before we can proceed. Now, once it is being downloaded, directly proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it so that you would be able to see this zip file. So click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you would be redirected to this location. So from here, please click on this cut icon, and we need to move it here to the desktop. So by that, please close the window as well as this. And at the desktop screen, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have successfully pasted this LaserJet 10, then please do a right click. Okay, 1012. You need to proceed to this WinRAR and go with extract to. The moment you have extracted it, okay, we just have to wait until a new file would be created here. And once it takes time to appear here or to show up, all you need to do is you need to proceed to your file explorer, navigate to the left pane where you can see desktop and check if it's being extracted. Yes, it is being extracted here. So by that, please close the window and do a right click here at the start icon and then scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that where you can see an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, proceed with the second option which is devices. Please tap on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with this option called more devices and printer settings and wait for a while until a new window would appear here in our screen which is the devices and printers. And once it's here, please navigate directly at the left side of that where you can see an option called Add a Printer. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up this new window where here you need to proceed at the bottom where you can see the printer that I want is enlisted. So click on this Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. And please choose an printer port and you need to choose among of these USB ports. It could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next and go with have this. And from here, you need to go with browse. And in this new window, proceed to the left pane where you can see desktop. Please click on it and please scroll down and go with this one. So double tap to it, double tap once again. And if you're using a 32-bit, proceed with the first. And if you're using 64-bit, then proceed with the second. So since I'm using 64-bit OS, then I'm going to choose this one. Go with open and click on OK. So from here, please select on HP LaserJet 1012. Okay? Please select on it. Go with next. It will show up here. Go with next. And it will now start in the installation. We just have to wait until this would be finished. So once it is being done, if you would like to allow for printer sharing, you can turn this on. If you don't like that, you can turn the first on, which is do not share this printer. So in my case, I'm gonna make that as a public printer. That's why I'm gonna turn this on. So go with next. And if you would like that to set as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'm leaving that unchecked since I don't want to. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1012 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that on, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.